What's up guys, MkszGHT here. As you all know that TikTok hasn't been functional in India since last 2 years I guess. And if you are from India and if you try to launch the TikTok app, then you'll get some errors like connection error or network error. So today in this video I'm going to show you how we can bypass these kinds of errors and you can easily use the TikTok app from India. Okay, let's just get started. Okay guys, you can see I'm on my phone screen right now. If you are from India and go to the Play Store and then search your TikTok, then you'll not find the TikTok app listed in the search results. Also, if you have the TikTok app already installed on your phone by any other methods, then if you go to the TikTok app, then it will not be loading. You can see here it shows no internet connection. So now I'm going to show you how you can use the TikTok app in India in 2023. Okay, firstly what you're gonna do is tap on this app switcher button on your phone and then completely exit the TikTok app from the app switcher. That is, TikTok shouldn't be running in the background of your phone. Let me first uninstall this already installed TikTok and then I'll show you from the beginning. Okay, uninstall. Okay, it has been uninstalled, and after that you just need to take out the SIM card of your phone because TikTok determines your location on the basis of your SIM card because it's a Chinese app. So we're just gonna take out the SIM card, and then you can see I have taken out the SIM card of my phone and just tap on OK. Now let's go to any browser and then search in the browser TikTok latest APK, this one right here, and scroll down. We're gonna find the trusted source, that is APK Pure, and then just download this APK here. Okay, download APK, and we're just gonna wait until it downloads the APK file of this TikTok app. Okay, the file has been downloaded. Let's just open it from here, and then I'm just gonna install it. Okay, you can see TikTok has been installed. Now don't open it yet, just tap on done. And before opening the TikTok app, you just have to do one more thing here. Okay, just go to any VPN that you have on your phone. I'm just gonna go to this MalKCC that I have on my phone, and I'm just waiting it. Now select any servers or countries from this VPN where TikTok is not banned. Okay, I'm just gonna select the server from France, this one. Now it has been connected to France server. Now let's go back. Now I just have to wait for a few seconds, and then I'm just gonna launch the TikTok app now. Okay, tap on agree and continue, and you can see you can use TikTok now. Yes, you can also create account by tapping on this profile option and then either signing up or logging in. So this is the way how we can use TikTok app in India. You have to make sure that you have taken out the Indian SIM card, and also make sure that you are connected to the server on VPN where TikTok hasn't been banned. Thanks for watching guys. That's the way how we can use the TikTok app in India in 2023. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up, and if you have found this video very useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with new videos like this very soon. So until next time, peace, bye.